Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the FOMO index has dumped down to 34 from yesterday's 42. Bitcoin dominance 61.5%. 24-hour volume is 60 billion. The overall market cap 2.63 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, we were all hoping for a Sunday pump, but we all kind of felt like we'd get a Sunday dump. And that's exactly what happened. After dumping all weekend long, we got a bounce from 81.6 and started a rally for ants that peaked out at 83.5, plugged its nose and cannonballed back into the bearish pool, splashing back down to 81.2 and is treading water at time of production, 81.5, placing us underneath all three moving averages and carving out this cute little bear flag. And the price probability of this pattern is, and sing it with me now. How you take the pole, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 75K-ish. The 70s, I'm not sure I'm emotionally ready for that number. Now over on the ding-dong, you can see we are straddling this triangle of neutrality support, trying desperately not to break out and down out of her. Is that a dad alert? Yes, it is. Looks like the MACD is about to cross bearish again. And the last time she crossed bearish, way back on February 23rd, where we saw continued bearish action that clocked in a 15% loss before crossing back bullish. So where would 15% take us from here? Well, that would be way down at 69K-ish. I'm still struggling with my 70s emotional baggage. What I'd like to see, bare minimum, would be a rally back up to our channel of eternal monotony support level, now acting as resistance up at 87.6, because that would keep the integrity of this rounding bottom theory intact. Because if, and I say if we put in a lower low, we'd have to all start slamming back the copium with the realization that we in fact have not yet bottomed. Quick look at the Wookiee, sees we did close the candle red, even carving out and closing this bearish engulfing candle, which does signal continued downside action moving into this week of liberation and tariffs. And I suppose the bearish elephant in this room is this cute little bear flag we've been side-eyeing and trying to ignore. But she's there, and the price probability of this pattern is, and sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pull, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 69K-ish. Shatner, that's where the MACD bearish cross takes us, which is also the resistance level of this old channel of eternal monotony now, acting as support. You remember this channel, don't you? I've referred to it as the Summer Bummer of 2024, where we chop suey from the end of March to early October, and wouldn't you know, it's exactly the end of March now again. But we are in wild and wacky Tariffian times of market indecision, and with that comes wild and wacky swings in all markets, not excluding Bitcoin. So it's once again time to take each hand and place them firmly underneath our bums. Take deep breaths and wait for these market distortes to play out, which they will eventually. It may take longer than we all want, but that's just the way it is. Some things will never change. Would you look at that, my friends? The sun's up. It's another beautiful day here on planet Earth. A day none of us are guaranteed. We're not guaranteed these days yet. We're lucky enough to have anyway, so get out there, knock 'em dead, and remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. And that's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video with someone you think might like it too.